New Panther just dropped! Mark Trail here with Science Sundays. While felines have been around for millions of years, the Bombay cat first appeared in 1965 when cat breeder Nicky Horner wanted to create a house cat that looked like a miniature panther, and boy, did she succeed. As impressive as their sleek fur is, many people are struck by their large, expressive eyes. Unlike some cats that can be aloof, Bombay cats are Velcro pets and tend to bond with their owners. So they are excellent pets if you're able to give them the proper time and attention. Their purr is often described like a bird's chirp. What do you think?